Welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level vocabulary lesson, and this is the last video in our series on food. Today we're going to be talking about drinks and beverages. Okay, so what things do you like to drink? Here's some examples. Coffee, milkshakes, it's like maybe a smoothie or juice, uh, wine, tea, maybe a soft drink or a beer. So our bodies need water, and when we get thirsty, we drink something. A drink is a liquid that contains water. Another word for drink is a beverage. So here's an example of water. She is drinking some water. This is a glass of water with lemon, and these are different types of glasses. Water is the most consumed drink in the world. 97% of the world's water is not drinkable because it is salt water, and reservoirs bring drinking water to our houses and offices. So this is a freshwater iceberg in a saltwater ocean. This is showing water and land. This is a well or a reservoir, but there's no water in this one. And this is a dam used to create a reservoir of water. Do you drink coffee? So coffee beans grow on a plant, and you can prepare coffee in many ways. So here are coffee beans after they've been roasted. Here we're showing them making coffee. These are the beans as they're growing before they've been picked and roasted. And then this is a coffee plant. Okay, so how well do you know your coffee? See if you can match these words with the different kinds of coffee. Take a few minutes to do that on your own, and then we'll check the answers. Okay, so A is a cappuccino. B is an iced coffee. C is an Americano. D is a cafe latte. E is a macchiato. And F is an espresso. So black tea and green tea contain caffeine. Herbal tea does not contain caffeine. And some people think herbal tea makes you relax or sleep better. So these are tea leaves. This is an herbal tea and black tea with a dash of milk. Okay, this is instant coffee. You mix the powder with hot water. Below are tea bags. You steep the tea bag in hot water for a few minutes. And people like instant coffee and tea bags because they are convenient. So these are, looks like the K-pods or the Keurig pods that go in a special machine. You can have either coffee or tea or hot chocolate. These are tea bags, and then here is the instant coffee. Juice, you can squeeze fruit to make fruit juice. You can also squeeze vegetables to make vegetable juice. And coconut water is also a fruit juice. So these are different kinds of fruit juices. This is coconut water, mixed vegetable juice. This is another example of mixed vegetable juice, and tomato juice. So what can you remember? How many of these can you remember? So remember we had coconut water was A, a cafe latte, tomato juice, black tea with a dash of milk, roasted coffee beans, and tea leaves. All right, now see if you can complete the sentences and then pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So tea is the second most consumed drink in the world. When we want something to drink, we are thirsty. Coffee in English comes from the Turkish word kahve. And if you squeeze fruit or vegetables, you make juice. Again, pause the video, answer these on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Many people today make a cup of tea with a tea bag and boiling water. Tea and coffee both contain caffeine. Instant coffee is a powder that you mix with hot water. And a short black coffee is also called an espresso. So these are carbonated drinks. They are also called fizzy drinks, soft drinks, pop, and soda. These drinks usually contain a lot of sugar, and they are normally sold in cans and bottles. So here we have fizzy grape juice. This is cola. These are bottles of soft drinks, cans of pop, and lemonade. Milk is an important drink in many cultures. Humans drink cow's milk and goat's milk. We also drink milkshakes flavored with chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. And soy milk is a drink made from soybeans and water. It's popular in Asia. So here's an example of soy milk, cow's milk. Not sure what that one looks like. Maybe a chocolate milkshake and a strawberry milkshakes. Alcoholic drinks contain a chemical called ethanol. In many countries, people under 18 cannot drink alcoholic drinks. In other countries, you must be 21. Drinking alcoholic beverages together is a social tradition in many cultures. So here the man is offering a toast to his guests. These are people socializing in a bar, and these are glasses called champagne flutes. Beer is made from the fermentation of cereal grains like wheat and barley. Beer is sold in cans and bottles. After water and tea, it is the most widely consumed drink. So here we have a bottle of beer, a wheat field, a pitcher of beer, and barley. Wine is made from the fermentation of grapes. People around the world like to drink red wine and white wine. Cider is made from the fermentation of fruit juice, usually apples. So here are grapes, red and white wine. This looks like a bottle of cider and a bottle of red wine. So what can you remember? We have red and white wine, soy milk, cola, strawberry milkshakes, coconut water, and beer. Again, try these on your own and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Grapes are fermented to make wine. Pop and soda are other names for carbonated drinks. Soy milk is made from soybeans and water, and cider is made from the fermentation of fruit juice, usually apple. All right, now try these true or false questions. You can pause the video, try them on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. All right, in Mesopotamia, there was a goddess of beer. That's true. Ninkasi is the ancient Sumerian goddess of beer. Blackberry juice was used to dye cloth, navy blue and indigo. That's true. Turks drink more tea per capita than anyone else. True. They um, drink more than 7 kilograms per person per year. A 12-ounce can of Coke has more sugar in it than you should take each day. That's true. Uh, the World Health Organization says we should take only 25 grams of sugar per day, and a 12-ounce can of Coke contains 35 grams. And a bottle of red wine produced in 1945 sold for more than $300,000. That's also true. A bottle of Jeroboam Chateau Mouton Rothschild sold for $310,700. Okay, so can you name some carbonated drinks? So, cola, pop, soda, some alcoholic drinks, beer, wine, some juices, tomato juice, apple juice, orange juice, a drink that contains caffeine, be coffee or tea, drinks that contain milk, milkshakes, and some various ways in which people drink coffee. You can have a latte, macchiato, espresso, etc. That brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.